Hello, Daves. Let's start solving this question, which came in Leetcode weekly contest 480. So the question is absolute difference between maximum and minimum k elements. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k. Find the absolute difference between the sum of the k largest elements in an array and sum of k smallest elements in an array, and return an integer denoting this difference. So this is like we have to find the sum of largest k elements, sum of largest k smallest elements, and the difference. Okay, and yeah. So this is a easy level question. So if you see this example, what are the two largest elements are 5 and 4. So sum is 9. And what are two smallest elements are these 2 and 2, which is 4. So difference is 9 minus 4 is 5. Similarly for this 100, largest element 1 k is 1, largest element is 100, smallest element is also 100. So the difference is 0. If you see the constraints, so here if you see the nums are from this and the length is also less. Okay, and k belongs to this, so we'll not get any k which is higher than n. So what we will do is first we will sort the array. First, we will sort the array to get the largest elements, and as here it is k largest and k smallest. So first, let's sort arrays dot sort nums. Now we are sorted. So there are two approach. One is find the sum of first k smallest, okay, from the beginning, then find the sum from the last, okay, and take the difference, absolute difference. That is one way. Another way is we can use two pointers, and one pointer will from the start. Okay, as we have already sorted the array, we will start from first point, one pointer at the beginning, one pointer at the end. So we always the end element is greater than or equal to start as the array is sorted. So what we'll do, we will find the difference between the last one and first one, and we will add accordingly. So first one, okay, first element and the last element, let's say first element and fourth element. Okay, we find the difference. Next we will move first pointer to second element, the second pointer to third element. So from beginning, okay, we have 1 2 3 4. My pointer is here, this will move to this, and my pointer was here, it will move to this. So we will again find this till when, till k. Okay, then we will get our answer. So let's use this approach. Int n is equal to our nums dot length, and let's say we will take two pointers. So what I'll do, for int I is equal to, or we can just write like this. We can write int I is equal to 0, the first pointer, and j is equal to n minus 1, the second pointer. One is pointing at the starting, one is pointing at the end. So while my I is less than k, that means we will what traverse till k. What we will do is let's take int answer is equal to 0, and my answer plus equal to nums of j minus, because the nums of j will be always greater than or equal to nums of I, because it is sorted under. Now I plus plus will move pointer I to forward and j minus minus backward, and we will return at the end our answer. So let's run this. Yeah, yes, here it should be yes. Let's run. Yeah, we submitted this. The video stopped in between, so I had to. Yes, I'll run first. Yeah, you can see accepted. I'll submit it again. As this is a contest question, so it might, yeah, it is giving us this, but it might not got that many entries. That is why it might change later. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful,